Imagine turning just $100 into $10,000 in 2025. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that with the right mindset, smart financial moves, and a little patience, it's absolutely achievable? In this video, we'll break down simple, realistic, and powerful money strategies that anyone can start with, even if you were just holding your first $100. By the end, you'll know how to invest, save, and grow your money step by step, without needing a fancy degree or a big paycheck. So grab your notebook because this could be the start of your financial transformation in 2025. Section 1. Build the right money mindset. Before we talk about investing or side hustles, let's talk about mindset. Because how you think about money will decide how you use it. If you get $100 today, most people spend it instantly. A dinner, new shoes, or subscriptions they barely use. But financially smart people see $100 differently. They see it as a seed that can grow into something much bigger. Here's the first rule. Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. That means pay yourself first. Even if it's just $10 out of $100, start saving before you spend. Also, remember the 3 stages of money growth. Earn it through jobs, side hustles, or freelancing. Save it, control your expenses, multiply it through smart investments. Most people stop at step 1, but you're here to learn all 3. Section 2. Turn $100 into your first investment. Let's start small. You have $100. What can you actually do with it in 2025? Here are 5 smart ways to make your first $100 work for you. 1. High-yield savings accounts. These accounts are perfect if you're starting out. Some online banks offer 4 to 5% annual interest. That's not huge, but it's safe and helps you build the habit of saving. Think of it as parking your money while preparing for bigger moves. 2. Micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or eToro allow you to invest small amounts into stocks or ETFs. Even $10 can buy a fraction of a share. Start with index funds, like the S&P 500 ETF, which track the market and are low risk over time. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. You can lend your $100 on platforms where others borrow it, and you earn interest. But remember, it's slightly riskier, so only invest small amounts here. 4. Start a micro business. Use $100 to buy and flip small items, thrift finds, gadgets, or collectibles. You can also start a small print-on-demand store, digital product, or affiliate marketing blog. 5. Invest in knowledge. Sometimes the best investment is in yourself. Buy a short online course, learn a digital skill like video editing, copywriting, or social media marketing, and that skill could make you thousands. Section 3. Learn the power of compounding. Here's the secret behind turning small money into big money. Compound growth. Let's say you invest $100 and earn 10% per month through smart reinvestment. After 1 year, that's not $220, it's over $3,000. Compounding means your profits generate their own profits. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. Small at first, but unstoppable once it builds momentum. The key? Don't withdraw early. Reinvest your profits. The longer your money stays in motion, the faster it grows. Section 4. Side hustles that work in 2025. Now, if you truly want to grow from $100 to $10,000, you'll need multiple income streams. Here are 5 realistic side hustles in 2025 that can multiply your small capital fast. 1. Freelancing. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Offer services in editing, design, writing, or video production. Start small, charge $10, $20 per gig, then raise rates as you gain clients. By the end of the year, you could easily make thousands if you stay consistent. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products online through YouTube, TikTok, or blogs, and earn commissions per sale. You don't need your own product, just your phone and smart promotion. Even a free social media page can earn $1,000+ monthly if you post valuable content. 3. Digital products. Ebooks, Notion templates, or online courses all can be created once and sold forever. Use your $100 for basic design tools and start selling on Etsy, Gumroad, or PayHip. It's passive income that grows with time. 4. Reselling or flipping by undervalued items from local markets or websites like Facebook Marketplace. Flip them online for profit. Example: buy an old phone for $60, clean it up, resell for $120. Repeat this cycle. That's 100% profit, and momentum builds fast. 5. Content creation. With AI tools, creating faceless YouTube or TikTok videos has never been easier. Use your $100 for tools like CapCut Pro or Canva and start making videos in trending niches: finance, motivation, or tech. Once monetized, that single idea could earn you hundreds every month. Section 5. Investing strategies for beginners. Now let's talk investing smartly in 2025. The world is changing fast. AI, green tech, and digital assets are reshaping the economy. Here's where to put your money wisely. 1. Stocks and ETFs. If you're new, avoid picking random stocks. Go for diversified ETFs like S&P 500 ETF, VOO, NASDAQ 100 ETF, QQQ, dividend ETFs for passive income. Even $20 weekly can build a portfolio worth thousands over time. 2. Crypto, cautiously. Crypto is risky, but it's also a massive opportunity in 2025. Focus on top coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe Solana. Invest small amounts monthly, dollar cost averaging. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. 3. Real estate fractional investing platforms now allow you to own property shares with as little as $10 or $100. You get a portion of rental income without owning the entire building. It's real estate made easy for beginners. 4. AI and Tech Startups. 2025 is the year of AI expansion. Look for crowdfunding platforms that let you invest in startups. Even small investments today could multiply in a few years if the company grows. 5. REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you want stable, long-term growth, invest in REITs. They pay regular dividends and are less volatile than stocks or crypto. This is perfect for people who want steady passive income. Section 6. Build multiple streams of income. The key to real wealth isn't working harder, it's working smarter. Instead of relying on one job or one source, build multiple small income streams. Here's a practical example. Freelancing brings in $500 month affiliate marketing ads, $300 month investments. Give $200 month digital products generate $100 month. That's $1,100 every month, from small beginnings. Now reinvest that income, and your snowball starts rolling. The goal is to automate your income, so your money keeps growing even when you sleep. Section 7. Reinvesting and scaling up. Once you reach your first few thousand, don't stop. Here's what separates the smart from the average: reinvestment. Let's say you turn $100 into $1,000 by flipping or freelancing. Now take that $1,000 and invest $500 into ETFs or REITs. Use $300 to grow your side hustle. Keep $200 in savings. Your money should always have a purpose, either to grow or to protect you. Remember, wealth is built in cycles. Earn, save. Invest, reinvest, repeat. If you stay disciplined, you'll eventually reach that $10,000 mark, not by luck, but by consistent strategy. Section 8. Protect your money. Growing money is one thing. Keeping it is another. Here are 3 tips to protect your growing wealth in 2025. Avoid scams and fake get-rich schemes. If someone promises to double your money overnight, run. Real growth takes time and effort. Diversify. Never put all your money in one basket. Spread across cash, stocks, crypto, and side hustles. Emergency fund. Keep at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. It's your safety net, so you never have to sell your investments in panic. Section 9. The $10,000 Blueprint. Let's break down how you can realistically reach $10,000. Stage goal time frame. Step 1. Save $100 week 1. Step 2. Build a side hustle month 1-3. Step 3. Reinvest profits month 4-6. Step 4. Create multiple streams month 7-12. Step 5. Scale income and invest monthly month 13-24. Within 1 to 2 years, this plan can grow your $100 into $10,000 if you stay consistent and disciplined. It's not about luck. It is about compound effort, doing small, smart actions every day that add up to massive results. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. 2025 is full of opportunity, digital tools, AI automation, and easy access to global markets. So whether you're starting with $10, $100, or $1,000, remember this. Wealth isn't built in one big leap, it's built in small, smart steps. Turn your $100 into a seed. Water it with effort, patience, and smart moves, and you'll watch it grow into something incredible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Tell me in the comments, what will you do with your first $100 today?